Full disclosure, this is not a trick tip video. This is simply just what my experience has been learning how to do this trick.
Dedicate this one right here.
I would say the two main things that helped me learn how to do this trick the most are looking over my left shoulder while I'm grinding and aiming my board into front crook. So the reason why I really concentrate on where I aim my board in this trick is to prevent myself going into front board, and I found that if I really concentrate on where I aim, it usually prevents that from happening.
Forget my favorite word for hers and hers alike, but I learned it from a song I heard and certain liked. Yeah, further ice and glamorized drug dealing was appealing, but the block club kept it.
The pop out of the front crook was definitely tough to get, but I just approached the pop out as I would approach a nose manual or a nose grind, and dip my nose down a little bit at the very end of the ledge, and that's really helped me from clipping or ending the grind in a wheelie, which just does not look cool when you're trying to do a pinch front crook. If I don't look over my left shoulder, I may lock into front crook, but I won't slide it at all, and I'll end up having to bail.
I had to get a boy bop, a Jay-Z boycott, cause he said that he never prayed to God, he prayed to God. I'm thinking God me from the ungodly. But by my 30th, watching the streets is watching, I was back to giving props again, and that was bothering. But it's uncomfortable as the untouchable, touching you. The theme songs that tussle to seem wrong, but these songs was coming true, and it was all becoming cool. I found a condom on the ground that Johns were coming to, and thought what constitutes a prostitute is to pursue the profit. Then they drop it, the homie in a suit, pat her on the butt, then rock it. It seems I was seeing the same scene, adopted, prevalent in different things with the witnesses indifferent to stop it. They said don't knock it, mind your business. His business is a mind, and that pimpin' got it. They took my daughter, ain't got no water, I can't get higher.